Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be creating a very simple yet classy ponytail hairstyle with weave on my natural hair. Okay, the beautiful thing about this style is that it is very beginner friendly. Anybody can create this. You don't have to be a professional to do this by yourself. And by the time I'm done with this hairstyle, you guys will see that everything I've just said is legit, because you yourself can create it on yourself in the comfort of your home. Another beautiful thing about this style is that you don't need needle or thread, you don't need bobby pins. So with no needle or thread or no bobby pin whatsoever, you still can achieve a very beautiful yet classy ponytail hairstyle. You guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so starting with a very detangled hair. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pack all my hair up in a bun like so. Okay, so the position of your bun is dependent on where you want your ponytail to be in. I'm going to be using this comb to just make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and grab a hair packer and I'll use that to secure my bun. I'm going to be using my edge control and I'll use this to lay my baby hairs. Okay, so baby hairs are optional for this style. You can go ahead and like just sweep all of your hair to the back if you want, but I love me some baby hairs. Okay, and that's just what I'm gonna do. Now that I'm done with my baby hairs, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take some Eco Styler gel. So I'm not gonna be going in with a lot of this because I already have some gel products in my hair from previous style. I'm just gonna use that to massage all over my hair just so that I tame all the flyaway hairs. You guys can see now. Okay, without wasting so much time, this hair is already giving. It's already coming on nicely. So next I'm going to go ahead and grab a much smaller comb and I'll use that to further flatten and make a flatten and make this bun as sleek as possible. Bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't, you can go in and add some more gel, okay, if you have to. All right, I use little amount of gel because I already have some products. I already have some gel products in my hair already. So going into this hard bristle brush, I'm gonna go ahead and smoothen everything some more. For this style, yeah, you really do not want to care about your back that much. Just try your best to make sure it's clean, but don't really focus on it, because by the time you attach your extension, the back is not going to be showing. So this is optional, yeah, but I'm going to be going back with one more hair packer to just make sure that this is as tight as I want it to be, because after you go to use a comb and a brush, you tend to not have the same flatness as you have before. So I'm just going to use this to ensure that it is flat enough. All right, and I'll make that into a bun as well, like so. So at this point you can go ahead and tie your hair down if you want some more sleekness, but I'm just going to proceed to the next step at this point. Okay, so I'm going to be using this extension and it's the Darling Empress collection hair in the style Brazilian coily. I've used this hair before. I'm going to leave the pack of what the hair looks like right somewhere here, okay, for you guys to see. I've used it before. All I did was to just apply a detangling spray. So I didn't mention, but that hair comes with a detangling spray. I just applied it on that, and this is what the hair is looking like. Okay, so I'm gonna start um attaching this hair to my bun. Okay, and to do so, I'm gonna start with this first part of the hair. Like I mentioned before, I'm not gonna be using bobby pins for this style. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and separate about this much, and I'll use that to wrap around my hair like so, just to secure this bundle. Then I'll go ahead and just wrap around. If you guys have seen a previous video I have on my channel where I did a ponytail, a sleek low back on ponytail on my natural hair, then you guys will have an idea of what I'm doing right now. Okay, I did a similar process for that particular video, and yeah, I'm doing the same thing here. So once I've gotten to the end of this particular bundle, I'm gonna go ahead and grab just a piece of hair from the end like so, and I'll use that to secure this whole bundle even more. So that's just all I'm gonna be doing. Okay, with this last piece, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it around. So if you're scared, right? Because I know it can be scary to have all of this in your hair and there's no bobby pins or needle and thread to secure it in place. It can be scary for you to think that this thing will fall off your head. But when I tell you that this doesn't move, it don't move. Okay, it don't move. But if you have trust issues, you can go ahead and secure them with bobby pins as you go. But I trust these babies. Okay, they are not gonna go anywhere. So because I want some more fullness, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the next bundle. So this hair came in 3 bundles, right? I don't know if I'm going to use all of I think I'm going to use all 3 bundles, but yeah, this is me going into the second bundle, and I'll just go ahead and wrap that around my bun like I did with the first bundle. Okay,
grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race, every move was on the page, but
I hope you guys can see what I'm doing, right? I'm just going round and round and round the bun. Nothing complex, honestly, nothing complex. So as you're attaching this, right, be sure to pull on it, okay, so it's tight. All right, don't just go round and round while it is loose. Ensure that it is tight, but be careful when you pull on it so that it's not too tight, right? If it is too tight, it's going to give you a headache, and that's not what you're going for. So it's tight but not too tight. It's tight enough to give you the security so that your hair doesn't fall off, but it's not tight, it's not too tight that you get a headache. Okay, even after doing it and you find out that it's so tight, okay, all you have to do is just pull on the ends, like just trying to like move it up, and trust me, you feel a lot more comfort. So this is all that my 2 bundles, this is how far my 2 bundles have gone. Gorgeous, you guys, gorgeous. you can stop at this point, right? Can you imagine in how many minutes, you guys, we have created such a clean and beautiful look, you guys. I'm loving it already. You absolutely can stop at this point. This is so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Well, I'm just gonna go in and add my third and final bundle using the same technique, you guys. Like I told you before, you don't have to be a professional to be able to do this style. Okay, this is a style that every lady should be able to achieve on themselves, right? Because it's so simple. It's so simple. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this around. Okay, you guys, you can achieve this in literally let me not say 5 minutes, because I even might not believe it when I say 5 minutes. I actually can achieve this in 5 minutes. Okay, but you guys, in like 15-20 minutes you can achieve this on yourself. Okay, as a beginner, right? You can achieve this by yourself. Can you guys see how gorgeous it is? Like, whenever you are in doubt on what style to wear, all right, maybe you have an appointment and for some reason you can't meet up with your hair appointment, and you have an appearance to make, you have a meeting to attend, you have an event to go for, girl, remember Noralicious Nora. Remember Chinonso Okoronko, and remember that I showed you this style, and grab some hair. And you know, the beautiful thing is that you don't even have to use it. It's not a must that you use a curly hair. Whatever texture of hair you have, if it's a straight hair, if it's a kinky hair, if it's a body wave hair, whatever the style of hair you have, it always comes out as a bomb with this style. You guys, I'm done attaching the third bundle, and this is what we have. So something you can do is to grab a piece of hair from the back. This is actually optional, okay, because no track is even showing. But yeah, just go ahead and grab a piece and just use it to go around the roots of your bun, like so. Okay, and that's it basically, you guys. Beautiful, if I do say so myself. What? So I'm just gonna go ahead and fluff this hair out, try to arrange it the way I want. Okay, you guys, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Wow, I love this. You guys, what do you think? What do you think, guys? This is so beautiful. Wow, wow, just wow. I'm just going ahead to, like, you know, fluff it out, dress it, just so it looks, you know. Wow, this is beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. Oh, I've gone ahead to attach all of my hair. I wanted to, like, cut out the pieces and stick it somewhere here so that it falls like two. I'm giving some Gen Z vibes. But you guys, I've gone ahead. I don't know if I just dropped that. There's no way I can just attach. Oh my god! That would have given this hair a different well, you guys, there's no way I can do that, right? I actually can pin it down or glue it down or something. Okay, like so. Oh, would have given it a very cute vibe. But it's fine. Okay, it's fine. Just gonna leave it there. And yeah, you guys, this is basically it too. That's basically it. For your bun inside, just ensure that you use your hair to cover it. If you have a small bone, it's not going to be obvious. Okay, it's not even going to show. But if you have a very thick hair, go ahead and use your extension to cover it up. If it's so big and you're scared that it might be showing, go ahead and stick some bobby pins, just a few, like 2 or 3 bobby pins to cover it. But mine is not obvious, right? It's not obvious. And this is what we have, you guys. Absolutely beautiful. I love this, you guys. What do you guys think? Do you love this as well? Do you love this as well? Wow, this is gorgeous, right? It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. So guys, just go ahead and play with it, okay? You can leave it like this as ponytail, or you can also bring it out, right? Let it look like a full hair weave, okay, like so. Just go ahead and play with it, all right, until you get what exactly you're looking for. There are different ways to style this, you guys. Different ways to style this. Ooh, Gorgeous. Can even go. You guys see it? Don't let me start showing you different ways to rock this stuff. You can go ahead and pick up like this. And just go ahead and, you know, play with this hair, right? Go ahead and play with this hair. Woo! Guys, I love this. I love this, you guys. Wow, it's gorgeous. This is a different way to rock.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
And that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please go ahead and do the needful. If you did, please go ahead and please go ahead and do the needful. Like, comment, subscribe, share. And until I see you guys in the video going up tomorrow, stay fab and stay blessed. Mwah.